Henrique Cabral, please.
Hello, everyone. Since the AI boom in 2022, our industry has been obsessed with one narrative, which is to use machines to replace human labor. At Works, we don't believe in machines eating people. Instead, we have focused on human enhancement and augmentation with features like context sensitivity, sous chef, and smells. But we realized that just as important as the tech was the intention behind it, and Automation Anywhere share this realization with us too. They notice a demographic of brilliant and capable women in Japan who have been pushed out of the workforce, single mothers. Because of a rigid corporate culture and systemic discrimination, over 50% of single mother households in Japan live in poverty. Automation Anywhere act on this with a very simple question. How do we use AI to re-empower them? They noticed that the tools in Works were removing the burden of translating and shifting into technical validation. So this was the plan. Works generates an accurate Japanese draft based on Automation Anywhere's vectorized linguistic corpus, and smells would then allow them to focus directly on the semantically detected errors. They have clear visual indicators that flag risk zones like the English source is unclear, there's a deviation in the meaning, the translation is ambiguous. Works also provides specific, thoughtful alternatives right in the interface, entirely in Japanese. The expert is not trying to decode English grammar. And once they commit to something, Smells runs again until they're satisfied with the results. The system actually evolves with them. Every single time she makes even the tiniest edit, they are recalibrating the engine. Because the system absorbs her engineering logic in real time, it dynamically adjusts, meaning they have to make fewer and fewer edits as they move along. But the innovation is not just the tech, because the tech is just the code. The true innovation is how the tech was used to change the nature of an activity and solve a deep social problem.
オートメーションエニウェアの、案件に関わってもうすぐ3年ほどになります。在宅で働けるので通勤の負担もないですし、シングルマザーとして働き方を諦めなくていいんだと思えたのが一番大きな変化でした。
私はシングルマザーで在宅で働いていますが、オートメーションエニウェアの案件に関わるようになってから、子育てしながらでも自分自身の可能性を広げられている感覚があるのがすごく嬉しいです。
This project completely shared expectation. 3 single mothers began the program 2 years ago. One has found full-time employment through her upskilling, and 3 more have joined since then. And the program is so successful that it continues to expand as we speak. But the business metrics is only half the story. This was a reclamation of human dignity. These single mothers are not handed a charity handout or a temporary gig. They were empowered to be exactly who they are, technical experts. And they went from being cast away by a rigid societal system to becoming the vanguard of a brand new one, an elite class of AI human collaborators. So gratifying to be reminded that when used in a smart and creative way, we can act a good act of kindness at a time and open the way for a different future. It's up to us. Thank you.